Question number 1.
She to the gym on Mondays. A go, B goes, C going.
Question number 2.
They studying when I knocked. A was, B were, ka, are.
Question number 3.
I my phone at home this morning. A left, B leave, C leaving.
Question number 4.
By next June, we solve as or tie by.
RG by the course. Ablegger tong burden. By finish. By finish. Body Y.
Question number 5.
Neither the coach nor the players ready. A is, B was, C are.
Question number 6.
Each of the applicants a resume. A have, B has, C had.
Question number 7.
If I you, I would call her A, was, B were, C, am.
Question number 8.
The number of accidents decreasing. A are, B is, C were.
Question number 9.
A pair of jeans on the chair. A is, B are, C were.
Question number 10.
She insisted on earlier. A to leave, B leaving, key, leave.
Question number 11.
He let me the car. A to drive, B driving, K drive.
Question number 12.
We to Chicago since 2018. A lived, B have lived, Key are living.
Question number 13.
The committee divided on the issue. A is, B are, C were.
Question number 14.
There are many reasons to try. A is, B are, C was.
Question number 15.
Little known about the cause. A are, B is, C were.
Question number 16.
She prefers at home. A, stay, B to stay, C to staying.
Question number 17.
He promised that he on time. A would arrive. B will arrive. C arrive.
Question number 18.
This is the first time I sushi. A have tried. They had tried. Say.
Question number 19.
You smoke here. It's illegal. A mustn't. B don't have to. C shouldn't.
Question number 20.
By 8 p.m., we for 2 hours. A will drive. B will have been driving. C were driving.
Question number 21.
Neither the cats nor the dog hungry. A are, B is, C were.
Question number 22.
He suggested that she earlier. A arrives. B arrived. K arrived.
Question number 23.
If it tomorrow, we'll stay home. A rains. B rained. Key is raining.
Question number 24.
She to New York every month. A fly. B flies. C flew.
Question number 25.
The kids have their homework. A already finished. B already finish. K finish already.
Question number 26.
I'd rather you now. A leave. B left. C leaving.
Question number 27.
Not only the prize, but she also donated it. A she wins. B did she win. C she won.
Question number 28.
He apologized being late. A of B for. C about.
Question number 29.
Few invited to the ceremony. A was. B were. C is.
Question number 30.
She had her car yesterday. A repair. B repaired. Key repair.
Question number 31.
The book along with the notes on the desk. A is BR. C were.
Question number 32.
There are a lot of food on the table. A, are, B, is, C, have.
Question number 33.
He speaks than his brother. A, more fluent. B, more fluently. Ka, most fluently.
Question number 34.
We're looking forward to it from you. A, hear. B, hearing. Key, have heard.
Question number 35.
She had hardly when the phone rang. A has sat down. B had sat down. K was sitting.
Question number 36.
By the time we arrived, the store sighed. A closed. B had closed. Key has closed.
Question number 37.
Please let me know if you any questions. A, have. B, will have. C, had.
Question number 38.
He remembered the lights before leaving. A, to turn off. B, turning off. T, to turning off.
Question number 39.
Hardly the show started when it began to rain. A, had. B, has. C, have.
Question number 40.
The teacher demanded that he quiet. A, B, is, C, was.
Question number 41.
Many a student late today. A, kit, are. B, is. C, were.
Question number 42.
$10 enough for lunch. A, are. B, is. C, were.
Question number 43.
Scissors on the table. A, is, B, are. C, was. Are.
Question number 44.
He has fewer problems before. A, then B, then K, that.
Question number 45.
She's responsible. Scheduling. A, to. B, for. C, of.
Question number 46.
I prefer coffee, tea. A, over. B, to. C, then.
Question number 47.
The people who live next door friendly. A, toincore, was.
Question number 48.
The man car was stolen is my neighbor. A. Who, B. Whose, whom.
Question number 49.
By the end of the day, I 3 meetings. A. Will have attended. B. Attended. K. Have attended.
Question number 50.
Nothing but old magazines on the shelf. A is, B are, C were,